Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look that I've got on my face right now. I am loving, you can see I'm kind of living for the whole neon vibe just now, but especially this eye, I'm just like, oh, I could wear this every day. Anyway, obviously everybody knows that there's a big neon trend just now, and I was going to buy some neon makeup, and instead, because obviously if there's a neon trend in makeup, there's a neon trend in nails, and if you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know I am a nail technician and beauty therapist as well. So I got myself some pigments that I could use on nails and decanted a little bit and kept them for makeup use as well, because it's the same thing at the end of the day. I mean, obviously I don't really want to be getting these in my eye or anything like that, so I would recommend, if you're gonna get neon stuff, neon pigments, get ones that are formulated for use on your face and on your eyes and stuff like that, because these were a little bit more difficult to work with. But now that I've sort of seen what you can do with them, I think I might go ahead and get myself some neon like eyeshadows and stuff like that. I think that it's kind of becoming a trend this year. 2019 may become the year of the neon, but you know, hopefully more brands will come out with stuff like this. Like I say, it was a little bit harder to work with than I expected, but it did work, and I don't seem to have it all over my face as of yet. But I love these. I love neon colours, especially like neon orange and neon yellows, and I like neon blues, and I just like neon, okay? And yes, I'm really impressed with how this turned out. Obviously, I don't want to sit here and talk your ear off. You can kind of see what's happening, and I hope that the tutorial is sort of easy to follow. I was originally going to do both eyes this style, and what I did was I sort of did this one and I missed a little bit of it out because I was just going to jump over and do the tutorial using this eye. But then after I did this one, I thought, do you know what, why not do two eyes different? We have two eyes, why not do them both different? There are no rules in makeup. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you do, obviously I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos 3 times a week, sometimes. Usually on a Monday, Wednesday and Friday, but not always. So hopefully I will see you guys in my next video.